Justrite Manufacturing, the industry leader in trusted safety containment systems, now brings you innovative technology in flexible spill containment. Two new QuickBerm spill containment lines feature the innovative and patented Rigid-Lock technology. Rigid-Lock support one-piece construction featuring reinforced critical corner design, all result in quick setup with no assembly required, unobstructed workspace, and long-term durability. A simple push on the walls unlocks the support and lays the wall down for drive-through capability from any angle. Easy in and easy out for your vehicles, unavailable from any other system. Learn more about Justrite's new Rigid-Lock berms and all our spill containment products at www.justritemfg.com or call your sales representative today.